you will bear witness that the best thing that can happen to your business is to win high profile clients. And not just that, getting them to trust you and become loyal to your brand. I mean, once you have gotten to that level, you can sell anything to this person. But then, unfortunately, I almost lost this one big client I have. Has it happened to you? What did you do to fight this thing or prevent it from happening next time? So back to my story. At HBN SolarCity, we sell cameras and solar gadgets, right? Like you know already. So this my current client reached out to me because he wanted to buy more of our cameras. And so he began to say something funny to me. Like he began to price me below what I used to sell to him. And he was so confidently pricing me that I started thinking that it's like this man has gone to make some market research and has found this same product at a cheaper rate somewhere else. Now, I will mention everything to you. I will even tell you the price. I'm not hiding anything from you. For the records, I'm not scared to tell my clients to go and research by themselves and check what the market price is, because I believe in our brand and I know what we are selling to you. So this man said, yes, I've actually gone to make my research and I found the same product at a cheaper rate, but I came back to you. Now my question is, what made him come back to me? That's what I want to share with you in this video. Now, what I think made him come back to me, first of all, is because of the person that referred him to our brand. So this friend of mine referred him, and this man, who is the uncle of my friend, reached out to me and ended up buying some of our products. This particular man stays abroad, and before he bought this product, we had already done some things outside business that made him want to just patronize me. But when he now indicated interest to buy, I think he bought about either 4 cameras at the time. I went out of my way to sell to him at a discounted price. And at that time, a few months ago, we were selling our 8MP U-Boss camera at 170,000, but I gave it to him at 150. That was a very huge discount. So I also think I gave him some other discount on delivery. Instead of selling memory card to him, I think I gave it to him free. Then I also gave him some discount on SIM cards. So I delivered the camera with Folocom SIM cards and still went out of my way to buy extra SIM cards, registered and delivered to him as well, because the place was going to install the cameras was in the village, so there was poor network there, so we needed to get SIM cards that are strong. So I did all of this without charging him extra money, just to secure his trust and make him understand that what I'm giving to you is top notch and is best. With that relationship already established, he was very, very impressed. No wonder he came back again to buy from me. I believe the relationship I have with my friend who referred him to me helped me to secure his trust, number one. And when he came, I was able to go out of my way to give him all the discounts and made him feel at home with the HBN SolarCity brand. Secondly, this man knows about the lies that he can get on the market. Is it possible to get this same solar camera that will sell at 170, 150,000 naira for a cheaper rate in the market? A capital yes, you can. But then, is there a possibility of you buying something of low quality? Extremely yes. Now this is it. We get these products from a very reliable supplier who, first of all, has good quality products. We give 6 weeks warranty on our products, and also we have post installation support. If you have any challenge, you reach out to us. We'll come check out your camera and give you support, maintain for free, for 6 weeks. So all these things make us know the person we are buying from, our supplier, and we insist on the price for quality. It is possible to get these same products in the market at a cheaper rate, but at a lower quality. How did I say so? When it comes to solar cameras, these cameras are calibrated in megapixels. Now, the U-Boss camera can come in 5MP, 8MP, meaning megapixel. The higher megapixels will produce clearer footages than the lower megapixels. Now, 5MP is very good. I mean, we sell it to majority of our clients. It gives you good quality footages and they are very nice. But then the 8MP is a little bit higher than that. This particular client of mine who stays abroad preferred the 8MP. And so he bought 8MP from me at the first time. And he maintains 8MP all through whenever he wants to buy. Now, if you go to the market, the 5MP and 8MP look alike, exactly alike, and you can buy 8MP instead of 5MP. The only difference is that 8MP is written on the carton, right? Not on the camera. So a marketer can decide to take 5MP camera and package it in an 8MP carton for you and will sell it to you at the price of 8MP. Do you get the difference? Now, that is you paying for 8MP but getting a lower quality. That is how it's done. So instead of selling to you at 150 for 8MP, they can sell to you at probably 130 or 140, a lower price of 8MP but higher price more than the 5MP, and they are being cheated. Do you understand? Secondly, the 8MP can also have higher battery capacity that lasts longer than 5 mp. So all these things we package for you and given to you at a cheaper price, but what you don't know is that you are buying 5 mp instead of 8 mp. So because of this lie, I believe that was what made my client to still come back to me, because what I normally do is that if you buy from me, I will present these two options. This is the price for 5 mp and this is the price for 8 mp. These are the features. So whatever fits your budget, you go for it, because they have good quality. Just that the major difference is that they have disparity in the clarity of the footages, which is not really a problem. Do you understand? So if I give you all these support and all these services, we don't want to go out there to buy the same product because you saw it at a cheaper price. So it's there for you to choose. So that's how I was able to secure his trust and still maintain business with him. What do you think about this? Has it happened to you before? Let me know in the comment section what you did. But thank God, finally, I still have my clients still loyal to this brand. And HBN SolarCity is always there to serve you. You can reach out to us and book a free inspection if you want to buy solar cameras or you want to install solar power in your environment or your property or your house, company or school, right? We can help you get that done at a friendly budget and give you top-notch service that you will never regret. All right, let's see you in the next video. Keep winning. Cheers.